Hey guys, I just wanted to jump on here and show you this dash cam that I just got, and I'm gonna install for you guys so you can see how it works. This is the Redtiger 4K Ultra Clear app controlled dash cam with GPS tracking. Super nice. The box quality is great. I'm just going to show you everything that it comes with, and then I'm going to install it in the car. So right here we have your dash cam. Here's the camera. And on this back side we've got your touch screen. And then right here is where it's going to connect to your car mount. And then this also has a GPS tracker on it. So this would connect to this. It just slides right on there like so. And then you're going to stick this to your car, which we'll do in a minute. And then right here, we've got the rear view camera. So this would stick to your back window, and then you can move this camera at whatever angle you need it at. And then you've got this really long cord, so we can run it up to the actual dash cam. And the end of this will plug in right here on the bottom of your dash cam. It's the round spot right there. So that would plug into there, and then we're going to run this to the back of the car. And then of course we have our power cord that goes to that cigarette lighter outlet in your vehicle. And then here is your power outlet cord, and that's going to go on the other side. So there's your rear view one, and then over here is the power cord. So you're going to plug that in right there, and then it's super easy to install, so let's go do that. Alright, now that we're in the vehicle, we're going to take the dash cam that we've attached to the GPS, and you're going to peel off just the back plastic, and then you're going to find where you want to stick it on your windshield, and you're going to stick it, and then you're going to turn this GPS part, and that just locks in that suction cup. So I'm just going to stick mine right about here, and we're going to turn that to lock it in. And that's perfect. It's very secure. It's not going anywhere. And then you can adjust this wherever you want it and tighten that down. And then right here we have our power cord. So I'm just going to attach that just like so. And then we'll hide the cord in just a few minutes, but you can just plug that in right to wherever your cigarette lighter is. And then you can run this cord wherever you need to hide it. They recommend going down the passenger side and then like up this part in the window, and then coming up and then attached to this, so you don't have that cord anywhere in your way. So we're just going to attach that power cord right at the top of it, and then we're going to run this cord, and then I will go through the buttons on this so you can see how to get to all of your information. Oh, right there it just turned on, and it's going to have me select what language, and this is touchscreen, so that's a super cool feature in a dash cam that I don't see very often. So I just selected my language, and then it's going to have me go through and select my time zone just so it can sync up with everything. But for this cord right here, we're just going to attach that where on the top right there. So this cord you're going to run up through here just like so. Just stuff that up in there, and you're going to run that all the way down the edge of your vehicle on the inside. Don't go on the outside of your vehicle. And then you're going to stick this to your back window. So I'm going to do that and then show you. Right, so right here we have the dash cam all hooked up with our cords. All I did for this back dash cam was stick it to my back window. And then as long as this red dot right here is blinking, that means you are recording and it is in a good functioning state. So right here on this side, we have your power button and your USB card. If you want to pull that out and stick it in your computer and access your files, you can do it that way. Or it also has an app that you can access all of your videos from. And as well on this side, we have a button in the middle, and then as well as an up and down button. So this is touch screen, which is super cool. You can touch, you can go here, and then right here you can access your playback, your video, and some more settings. So very high quality camera. I'm super impressed with this camera. The quality of it is just phenomenal. As you can see here, such a clear screen. Let's go back to the video. Just really fantastic quality. So as you guys can see, this is a very high quality camera. The image is super crisp and clean, super easy to use. The functionality is just fantastic. The fact that it has a backup camera that is so easy to install, like literally anybody could install this. It's so simple. And then having that app to be able to access the videos as well is super neat. Just some really great features on this, and I'm super excited to have this on my vehicle.